Hi everyone, this is an easy breakfast. This is pancakes with stuffed diced ham. If you look closely, you can see little bits of ham in there, and I do have a piece of ham steak on the side that I fried. This only takes a couple minutes because I'm using prepared pancake mix, but if you have your own favorite recipe and know how to make pancake mix, which I don't, go ahead and definitely give this recipe a try. So if you want to see how to make this, I gave you 2 different variations. Keep watching. Hi everyone, I have a quick, easy Sunday or Saturday breakfast for you guys, you and your family, especially your children. I am going to be making pancakes stuffed with ham. I'm using diced ham that I bought in the package, and I have the pearl milling that used to be Aunt Jemima. I have the complete, so all you add is water. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you. I'm going to cook that ham for a few minutes in butter because I don't want to use it just raw, and add it to the pancake mix. But then I'm also going to add, because my husband loves ham, a piece of ham steak. I'm going to fry that on the side. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, the channel Quick, Easy Weeknight Meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't know how to cook. I don't know how you found me, so I'm so blessed and happy that you're here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the pancake mix mixed up. I like it thick and fluffy pancakes. You can do thin and crispy, however you like. You add as much water to this mix and get the consistency that you love. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got some butter added to the skillet. I'm going to go ahead and put some ham in here. Kind of guesstimate how much I need. And I just want to cook it. I don't want to use it raw into my pancakes. And it's kind of funny, I've been married for 30 years, and the first time I cooked breakfast for my husband, I woke him up. I was so proud. I had breakfast ready. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't have my mic on. I was such a hurry to film. So anyway, I woke my husband up and said I had breakfast. He came to the table and I had eggs, smothered potatoes, fried green tomatoes, toast, and bacon. And that's my kind of breakfast. And he looked at it and he said, wow. He said, I appreciate it, but for me, breakfast is pancakes. So he likes waffles, pancakes, or French toast for breakfast. So since then, we've been married 30 years. I just do pancakes for him. And for me, like I said, I prefer some grits, some smothered potatoes, and some good old eggs. And I can eat them just about any kind of way except sunny side. His has to be scrambled soft, and I mean real soft, so that it's still just jiggly, a little too jiggly for me. So as you see, I'm just cooking the ham. I want to get a little bit of color on it, cooking in this butter and warm it up. And then I'm going to show you how to cook the pancakes with the ham in there. Okay, you see how the ham has changed colors. It's already cooked, but I just wanted to put some extra color on it, just, for aesthetics and extra flavor. So if you don't want to do this, you can definitely skip this step. So now I'm going to show you the pancake batter. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. You can add your pancake batter mix, and then you can sprinkle the ham on top while that's cooking on the underside. Try and be pretty liberal with the ham. And this is the first one that I've cooked. And see, the ham is in the bottom. You can't really see it. And then flip it over, and so you don't see any ham on the top like this one, but there's ham in there. So for the rest of them, I am going to add the ham directly into the batter. So it won't be as concentrated, but it's definitely quicker. And I'm all about quick, fast, and easy meals. And mix the ham in. I'm going to take this one out. And then start on the next one. And I am adding butter in between. Cut my eye down a little bit. It's up kind of high. That's what happens when you're in a hurry. And you guys comment down below if you try this recipe and let me know which way you prefer it, to add the ham after you've cooked the top side, or just add it completely to the middle. My husband's fanatical about the butter, so I have to butter them as soon as they come out. So this one has ham throughout the cooking process. I like it better if you cook one side and then add the ham, because you can concentrate on the ham and make sure that you have, equal amounts of ham, because when you add it all to the mixture, some of the pancakes will probably have less ham than the others, but that's okay because I am cooking a side of ham to go with it. I think your family would really like this. I always butter them as soon as I take them out to make sure they're nice and buttered. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. Try and keep you guys on your grind. And I thought this would be something different because I checked my channel. I have a sausage stuffed pancakes and I also have bacon stuffed pancakes. So I thought, why not do ham? His favorite side dish with breakfast is ham with his pancakes, but bacon is second. Or maybe bacon and sausage tie. But yeah, if you have any leftover ham, especially for the holidays, this is definitely one way to use it the next day for brunch or breakfast, to try and get rid of it. And pancakes are ready to flip when you see the bubbles. When you see the bubbles and it slides around in the pan, it's pretty much cooked on the underside. And I like them about that color. I kind of like them thick and fluffy. Sometimes I like them thin and crispy. It just depends on my mood. So this is the last pancake I'm going to show you guys. And then I'm going to get everything set up and turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. And as always, I'm going to thank you guys for watching. God bless all of you who tune into my channel. I love making videos and eating, but cooking is not my thing. Your girl just despises cooking. Those of you that know me, welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to take this out, turn the camera around, and I'll show you the pictures. Okay guys, and just to show you, this is what I'm using. It's just a hardwood smoked ham steak that I'm going to have on the side. I'm going to show you quickly. It's pretty thick. Comes in one slice. I'm just going to sear that on both sides to get some color. And here are the pancakes. They are completely done with ham on the inside. And this is not necessary, but like I said, my husband really likes ham, so just showing you guys what I'm going to do with the ham steak. And there's the ham steak that's cooked. Got a little char on it, so it'll be delicious for breakfast. Okay guys, here's the finished product. I'm going to cut into it so you can see the ham that's inside. That's why I prefer my method to put the pancakes in the skillet and then add the ham to it, because that way you can get nice amounts of ham. Now see, this piece only got a couple pieces of ham, and this one I only see one piece. But this would be a delicious breakfast idea for your kids. And as you see, a piece of ham there, and that's how I made it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Here's my joke. 3 wealthy brothers wanted to get the best birthday gift for their elderly mother. The first brother said, "I'm going to buy mom a big house." The second brother said, "I'm going to buy mom an expensive car." The third brother said, "You guys have no imagination. I spent the last year paying a small fortune to have a parrot trained in memorizing Bible verses because mom loves the Bible. Mom's birthday comes and goes." The 3 brothers all get the same email from their mother. "To my first son, the big house is nice. I can hardly get up and down the stairs and have to keep the whole place clean by myself. To my second son, the car is nice, but my eyes are so bad that I can't drive anymore, so it just sits in the driveway. To my third son, you've given me the best gift of all, and I just wanted to thank you. Son, that chicken was delicious." Oh my God. So she didn't even know the parrot knew the Bible and could recite Bible verses. She ate it. But I guess that's what you get, spending money unnecessarily and not asking people what they want is always my advice. I've been married for 30 years. I always ask my husband what he wants. That way he's not disappointed and totally happy. But I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless all of you. I pray and hope to see you on the next one, and give this recipe a try and let me know which version you like best. Because if you want to make sure there's ham in every bite of the pancake, I would definitely pour the mix and then add the ham on top and then flip it. But if you're in a hurry, lazy, dump all the ham in there and cook the pancakes. And remember, the ham is already cooked, and it's definitely perfect for leftover ham on any holiday. So God bless and have a great evening.